Hey everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Mobile Legends on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to download the popular Mobile Legends game on your Android device and get started with it, then the process is quite simple. Before beginning, make sure that you've connected your Android device to a stable internet and open up Play Store. Into the Google Play search box at the top, type in Mobile Legends and search. Soon after you find the Mobile Legends Bang Bang application from Moonton, tap on the install button and wait for the app to be downloaded and installed. Once you see the play button, it means that the application is downloaded and installed and is ready to play. Tap on play to open the app. That is how you can easily download Mobile Legends on Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.